Hello there, how are you? Welcome to this channel. I'm Afreen. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you review on Cetaphil daily facial moisturizer, and I will tell you what they've mentioned on this packaging about this product, and then I will tell you what is my experience with this product. I will tell you my honest review on Cetaphil, and I will tell you my likes and dislikes about this product. So let's begin the video with what they have mentioned about the product on this packaging. This is SPF 15. So this is SPF 15, and this is for all skin type, and it's hydrate, nourishing and protect, UVA UVB protection. It's fragrance free, it's lightweight, it's non-greasy. I would like to share my likes about this product. So first thing is first, guys, that is it has SPF, which I was searching. That's why in fact I have choose this brand and this cream. The second thing I like about it, it's not oily, it's not too oily. This is I like about it. The next thing I like about it, in fact I love about it, it's packaging. It's in pumped packaging it has, and it's completely travel friendly, because whenever you're going out you don't worry about that it will come out, it will destroy your another stuff in your bag. So it's a completely lock system. You can lock it, you can unlock it. When you want to use it, you can unlock it, then you locked it. It is really lightweight. You don't feel that you have applied something on your face. So yeah, it's really lightweight. So the most amazing thing about this product is it's dermatologist recommended product. Now coming to the dislikes, which I know all of you really desperate about to know the dislikes about this product. So the first thing is, guys, I don't like about it is it's not so much thin. It's not like that thin, but it doesn't mean it is thick. It's not too thick, but of course it's not as thin as other cream. Also, it doesn't mean that it will not going to be observed by your face. It obviously observe in your face, but yeah, if you compare this cream with another cream, they will more thin. But yeah, it's not a big deal. I feel like it bothered me, this thing bothered me a little bit, but not too much. And the number two dislike is, I think this number two dislike will bother all of you guys, because the thing is it will not give you instant whitening on your face. You have to be put any powder or any compact after applying this. That means it will not give you a brightening skin after using this. So you should have to be apply powder, compact, which is not a big deal, I think. So guys, I have only two dislikes about this product. In fact, I don't have too much likes about this product. So I'm using this product since 3 months. I slightly like this product. I don't love this product too much. What I love about this product is it has SPF in it. I was searching something on internet which gives me moisturizer plus SPF plus I can trust on that brand, so I found it. But still I'm not sure that I'm gonna go how long with this cream. I think maybe I will change it. If you are somebody who are planning to buy this Cetaphil cream, if you're looking for an honest review on that particular brand, then I hope that this video helpful for you. And if there's anything which you really want to know about this brand, you can leave me comment and I will definitely give you a reply about that. Because I know if you're gonna out, or if you want to purchase a new product and if you confused about it, and if somebody gives you an honest review, then how helpful it is. Yeah, and one more thing I want to be add, this is really slightly costly. I hope guys you like this video, and if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and also do subscribe my channel, because I always make videos which helps you in any way. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.